Hi there! Today, we are learning how to be the boss of ourselves. It is called self-management. Ready to have some fun? Let's go! Self-management is a huge part of learning how to handle our feelings and choices, a part of social-emotional learning. What is it exactly? It is like having a remote control for your own feelings, thoughts, and actions. There are 5 main skills: setting goals, time management, organization, decision-making, and self-control. First up, goal setting. It is like planning a secret mission. Question: what is one thing you want to get better at this week? Ace wanted to build a giant Lego castle. Instead of doing it all at once, he did one small part every day. By day 7, mission accomplished. Time management is being the captain of your day. You decide where your time goes so you do not have to rush. Ping made a morning plan so he would not miss the bus. He finished with a smile because he was not racing against the clock. Next is organization. This means keeping things in their home so you can find them fast. No more lost socks. Shine keeps her toys tidy. Now, when she wants to play, she finds what she needs in 2 seconds. Decision-making. Looking at your choices and deciding which are the ones to use to help you complete your tasks. Rain was hungry. She looked at her choices and picked a juicy apple because it gave her the best energy for her day. Kit really wanted to watch TV, but she finished her homework first. Now she can watch her show without worrying about school. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to our channels to watch more learning videos about how social-emotional learning is important for all of us. Goodbye, and see you again next time.